In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom form on a Wix website tutorial. By the end, you'll have a clean, functional form that captures exactly the information you need, built right inside the Wix editor. I'll guide you from adding the form to saving your changes, with tips to keep everything clear and user-friendly. Start in the Wix editor and look to the left-hand toolbar for the Add button, the icon with a plus sign. This is your gateway to new elements. Click it to open the full menu of components you can place on your page. If you're in preview mode, switch back to the editor so you can make changes. From the Add menu, choose the Contact and Forms category. This section houses all the ready-made form elements, as well as options for creating your own custom layout. It keeps everything related to capturing visitor information in one convenient place. Select Create New Form. This opens a blank canvas, giving you total control over which fields appear and how they're arranged. A blank form is great because it lets you design for your exact purpose, whether that's newsletter signups, inquiries, or event registrations. With the form open, simply drag and drop fields onto it. You'll see guidelines that help you align elements so everything looks consistent. Drop fields where you want them. Then use the handles to resize and adjust spacing for a clean, easy to scan layout. Add the essentials: first name, last name, and email. These are common for almost any form. Rename labels if needed, and use placeholder text to hint at the expected input. Keep labels short and clear, and avoid stacking too many fields on one line to maintain readability. Mark critical fields as required. Click a field and toggle the required option so visitors must fill it out before submitting. At minimum, make email required. This helps prevent incomplete submissions and ensures you receive the key details you need. Now, tailor the form to your liking. Adjust fonts, colors, and button text to match your site's style. Refine spacing, align fields, and consider a concise success message so visitors know their submission went through. Keep the design simple, accessible, and mobile-friendly by using clear contrast and comfortable tap targets. When everything looks and works the way you want, click Save in the top right corner. Saving preserves your work and ensures your custom form is ready for use the next time you open the editor. That's it. Your custom Wix form is set up, styled, and saved. Great job building it with intention and clarity.